limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
At Scene Caps unboxings. Today we have a LMB hat. That's Mexican League Baseball, Professional Mexican League Baseball. Let's take a look. And there it is. Toros De Tijuana, Tijuana Toros in Mexico, Tijuana, Mexico. This is Tijuana Toros. They have some of the best-selling merchandise in the LMB. They have good merchandise sales, in other words, and different styles they sell of hats, and they sell well. They have unique designs. Some of the better LMB hats that have came in have been from the Toros. Their designs are pretty great, I'd say, and they are unique as well. Sometimes they're a little outside the box, but that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. So let's get an up close look at the logo. This is like almost like a pearl white stitching. The TJ Toros, or I should say Tijuana. And we're working with a 5950. Let's take a look at other aspects of this cap. Back shot here, LMB logo, black and white, pretty much for like that pearl white matches the rest of the cap. Oh, we got a side patch on this one. And let's take a look at the side patch here. Toros. It's an anniversary side patch. I believe that says 70th. Might look like it says 10. But I believe it's 70th anniversary. Look at the stitching on that. It's like a metallic. Thing's glistening. We got a black undervisor in this. I think it would have been better if they did a gray one. What do you think about? Maybe they could have done a pearl white one too to match that threading. Like a silver. They didn't have to go all black, but they did. That's the cap. You get these tags in there. It's in Spanish. LMB. Oh, what do you think of this cap? Like it or love it, dislike it, or hate it? I know it's not for. I shouldn't say it's not for everybody, because it is a nice. It's a pretty nice cap. You don't have to watch LMB to not enjoy this. This is a nice one. Very crisp, I'd say. I think that's the right word for it. So if you like this type of content, subscribe. There is more on the way. If you want to purchase caps like these, more LMB merchandise, free shipping USA, shipping worldwide, shipping from the USA, take a look at the description and in the comments. And that is that. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. So long, and bye-bye.